Good afternoon. Welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we are going to be making buffalo turkey wings. Now if you saw my how to bone a turkey, you would see that I had taken these wings off and I saved them so I could make this dish for you. Okay. Now, this is very simple. All we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of olive oil, some olive oil, and we're going to paint these with a little olive oil because we're going to be using them in the air fryer. So this is not going to be fried. It's just going to go in the air fryer. And we're going to paint these with the oil all over. All right. Now, we have some Frank's Red Hot Original Seasoning Blend. So this is what we're going to use because we're trying to mimic the famous buffalo wing recipe. And we're going to take the top off here. I'm going to shake it because I want to make sure, you know. Okay, now I'm just going to sprinkle. We have another spice that we're going to try today. This is peppered habanero from the Fresh Jacks, folks. This is all organic. We're going to try that too. We're just going to sprinkle. This is very hot. A little bit. All right. Now, I'm going to put this in this cage for my fryer. Open the cage up. Put the pieces in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And close it up. Clean it up. Take this and put this in the sink. And we're going to take this and there's a little bar that goes in here. We're going to take the little bar and stick it in like that. And there are some screws that hold it in. I'll be right back. Here I am with the screw. All right. All right, you take the screw. That's that. It's a good use for little pimento jars in your kitchen. All right. Push this down. And we're going to put, well, the timer has gone off, so now we're going to check and make sure that it's actually reached the correct temperature. Make sure you use an instant read thermometer so that you can get an accurate temperature. I'm just going to lift this up because it's awfully hot. And I'm going to stick it into the thickest part here. Oops, keep on hitting bone. There we go. And we have a reading of 165. And the correct temperature for poultry is 160, so we are definitely done. Take that out. Put it away. And we're going to take it out. Put it back. that. And we have our celery slices, rather, of our celery stalks. And there you have it. I'm going to take this little piece right here and taste it. Mmm. Delicious, crunchy, wonderful. This is definitely a keeper. See you next time.